@McDo_PH and use our official hashtag of the day, hashtag #MyMcDonald'sRewards and hashtag #MayPointsSaMcDo. There you go. And last but not least, we are going to have everybody take a picture with
Heart Evangelista at Bar The Love Team na sina Barbie Forteza at David Licauco nagpasaya sa McDonald's event na kanilang ini-endorso. Nitong Huwebes, August 21 ay ginanap nga ang may McDonald's Reward Launching Event sa Glorieta Activity Center kung saan ay naimbitahan ang mga kilalang personalidad na endorser ng naturang fast food chain kabilang na ang mga kapuso stars na sina Heart Evangelista, Barbie Forteza at David Licauco. Mula naman sa mga netizens at fans na nakapunta sa naturang event ay kanilang ipinasilip at ibinahagi sa publiko ang mga kaganapan sa McDonald's event kung saan ay proud nilang ipinakilala si Heart Evangelista bilang pinakabagong endorser. Samantala, masayang-masaya naman ang mga fans dahil muli nilang nakitang magkasama ang kanilang iniidolo na sina Barbie at David kung saan ay makikita na talagang kahit hindi na masyado nagkakasama sina Barbie at David ay hindi nagbabago ang kanilang sweetness at closeness sa isa't isa. Napaka-protective din ni David kay Barbie at palagi itong nasa tabi niya para siya ay alalayan. Narito panuurin natin ang mga kaganapan sa McDonald's Reward Launching Event.
@McDo_PH and use our official hashtag of the day, hashtag #MyMcDonald'sRewards and hashtag #MayPointsSaMcDo. There you go. And last but not least, we are going to have everybody take a picture with the audience. This photo, okay. So concert style. There you go. So we're gonna take a picture. Everybody, big smile para kita po kayo lahat. Everybody can stand. But be careful, do not push para kita kayo sa picture. Ayan. You will be seen in the photo, so please put your big smiles on.
After sabi ko, Daddy, try to try ng McDo. Order ako ng Oreo Macho McFlurry tsaka large shake fries. Barbecue. Sarap!
Specific talaga, no?
Oo! Pinost ko yun sa IG story ko. Like, it's sarap. Ni-reward ko talaga yung sarili ko kasi ang sarap eh. Tsaka yung accessibility niya, yung availability niya kasi ang dali eh. So yun talaga isa sa mga perks ng McDonald's.
Tama. Especially if you have
nung nakita nila ang McDo, kasi very iconic talaga yung McDo eh. Alam nila pag McDo parang, masarap ang chicken dito, marap spaghetti dito, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos parang lahat sila, excited sila kumain lahat. Tapos meron pa kaming mga party hats na may McDo. Kung napanood mo sa social media, core memory po talaga yon. And I'm just so happy to be part of that memory with McDonald's and with my friends from Barbie-Natics.
Yes, Barbie-Natics, mag-ingat! Thank you so much. Yes, how about you, David? Do you have a message to everybody who showed up here today also to join us?
Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being here. Alam natin ang holiday and for you guys to spend your time here with us today at McDonald's. Maraming salamat. Sana ay galingan niyo sa trabaho and after this, kain tayo sa McDonald's.
Excuse me po, pa-picture lang. Pa-picture lang. Oh.
Let's go po! Interview na po! Medyo upstage. This photo, okay. So, concert style. There you go. So, we're gonna take a picture. Everybody, big smile para kita po kayo lahat. Everybody can stand, but be careful. Do not push para kita kayo sa picture. Ayan. You will be seen in the photo, so please put your big smiles on.
2, 3, another one. Okay, video, say hi, and go. And